The Muslim community in Birmingham is calling for urgent action to speed up the time it takes to arrange a burial in the city. It's Islamic tradition to hold funerals within 24 hours, but delays mean that some families are left waiting for weeks. Chris King reports.
The loss of a loved one is one of the most stressful things a family can go through, especially when your faith says you should arrange the funeral as quickly as possible. But in Birmingham, it can take days, if not weeks, for a body to be released.
The coroner's office, the local authority, these foundation trusts, they're working behind closed doors in isolation, providing a service that is not fit for purpose.
But this isn't a new problem. The Muslim Burial Council of Birmingham and their Jewish counterparts have been trying to sort it out for years. But now the Labour MP Liam Byrne has thrown his weight behind the campaign by handing a 2,000 signature petition into Parliament.
We do have one of the biggest Muslim communities in the country in Birmingham, and therefore these services should be in place. And the point I made in Parliament yesterday is that these services are in place in other cities like Bradford. So if much smaller cities in the country can do it, then quite frankly, so can Birmingham, and we're determined to make sure that it does.
So what needs to happen? Well, quite a bit actually. In order to turn things around, they're going to need access to the coroner 24 hours a day. They're going to need health professionals who can fill out the death certificate. They're also going to need an MRI scanner, which means they don't have to do a post-mortem examination. But for that to happen, everyone needs to work together to find a solution. Local MPs have organised an emergency summit to try to sort the problem out, although previous experience suggests that is easier said than done. Chris King, BBC Midlands Today, Handsworth in Birmingham.
The owner of